Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make a CV in Canva mobile. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is click the plus symbol at the bottom in the middle. Now click the search bar and search for CV or resume. Then click the first one that comes up. And now you'll be given a bunch of templates to choose from. So just choose whichever one you want to use. I'm just going to pick this one as an example. And now you're free to edit it. Everything in these templates are editable. From the name to the email to the number, pretty much everything, like I said. So now I'm going to edit the name just so you can see that it is actually editable. And there you go. Now once you're done editing everything, let's proceed to save it. First, click this button at the top right corner. From here, you need to click download. Now you can select the format that you want to save it as, like JPG, PNG. I'm just going to leave it as a PDF standard for now. Once you've chosen the format that you want to use, click download. Now since the design I chose contains premium content, I have to click the three dots, then click download a free watermarked draft to save it. But if you picked a design or a template that doesn't contain premium content, you won't have to go through that process. Anyway, once it's been saved to your device, it will say this. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.